Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, the corners of a square with a side 10 is cut away to form an octagon with all sides equal. What is the length of a side of the octagon so formed? Consider a square A, B, C, D. With this corners, let us make octagon. Suppose this is P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W. Okay. Let A, B, C, D is be a square of side 10. Square of side 10. We form a regular octagon by cutting all 4 corners. Let QR equals to RS equals to ST equals to TU equals to UV equals to VW. VW equals to WP equals to PQ equals to X. Now, by symmetry, AW equals to AP equals to BQ equals to BR equals to CS equals to CT equals to DU equals to DV equals to A. Suppose this is A. Now, using Pythagoras theorem, in triangle AWP, WP square equals to AW square plus AP square. That is X square equals to A square plus A square. So, X equals to root 2 A. Suppose this is 1. And AB equals to, here we can observe AP plus PQ plus QB. So, as AB is 10, that is side of the square, equals to A plus X plus A, that is 2A plus X equals to 10. Now, put the value of X, we get 2A plus X equals to root 2A. From 1 equals to 10. So, if we take A root 2 common, so there will be root 2 plus 1 equals to 10. So, A will be 10 upon root 2 into root 2 plus 1. Therefore, X is root 2 into 10 upon root 2 into root 2 plus 1. That is, X is 10 upon root 2 plus 1. Hence, the length of side of octagon formed is 10 upon root 2 plus 1. Length of side of octagon formed is 10 upon root 2 plus 1.